What's going on, Pittsburgh? This is Allegheny County Bar Association's Homer S. Brown Division's Martin Luther King Jr. prayer breakfast at Mount Ararat Baptist Church.
My name is Peter McCall. I am the chair of the Homer S. Brown Division of the Allegheny County Bar Association. This is the 27th year of our Dr. Martin Luther King breakfast. It's obviously held to commemorate Dr. Martin Luther King himself, as well as honor, in this case, Judge Henry Taylor with the John Major for Justice Award, which we give out annually to members of the bar who embody Dr. King's legacy. This goes to individuals who contribute significantly to the Black community, underserved communities, either through philanthropic work, legal work, or any other sort of structures. It is limited to lawyers, but it is meant to recognize significant contributions by Pittsburgh lawyers to civil rights or other great causes. This is the headline event for the Homer S. Brown Division. So it's very important. It is one of our sort of keystone efforts every year. Especially in these current times, we believe it is important to remember Dr. King, remember his lessons of civility, his lessons of persistence, and to continue to celebrate those who embody and or contribute to that legacy each and every day. I mean, Dr. King was, in fact, a very religious man. So, I mean, churches are, a keystone influence in the communities. And it has always been a prayer breakfast, and it will continue to be because we want to, and jumping around, this event's actually open to the public, and this is one of the few Bar Association events that is. And the reason for that is because this is something that we believe needs to be shared, not just with the legal community, but with a broader community, because Dr. King's message is obviously so much more important than just doctors and lawyers. Yeah, Judge Henry Taylor is an exemplary candidate. She has always been involved in significant community initiatives. She is, and now as a judge, she's consistently opening her court to mentorship groups, schools, etc., always seeking to enable individuals who want to learn about the courts or who want to teach young people about the courts to get access that they otherwise wouldn't have. And she is a longtime member of the bar as well, and we're very excited to honor her today.
Hi, I'm Nicola Henry Taylor. I am a judge in the Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County. It's been overwhelming. It is a humbling honor, and I'm very happy, and I'm hoping that it will help me to continue to do more important work. Because while it is an honor for the individual, I think that you can't just only focus on yourself, and you need to be mindful about all the people and all the things that are going on that you can be impactful in. And we have so much work to do, so I'm looking forward to how being honored and recognized can give me even a bigger platform to help to encourage our community, and to be a voice for marginalized people. It was absolutely overwhelming, and I think particularly the fact that obviously my family's with me, and then I have my sorority sisters of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, the Women in the Law Division ladies. I had people from Homer S. Brown, from the Pittsburgh Diversity and Inclusion Coalition, from the Pennsylvania Commission for Fairness and Justice, all of the groups that culminate to make me into the person that I am, and to make me have the ability to have the impact that I do. That is particularly important to me. While I appreciate the community members, it was very comforting and reassuring to have those people represented today. I think a defining moment for me was when I was leaving the district attorney's office and I was joining the Bar Association. And they had a list of organizations and groups, and one was a group called the Committee for Minority Opportunities. And when I inquired about that group, I was told that that group had been sunsetted. But what I did know, even though I didn't know a lot about the Bar Association, is there was a great need for such a committee. So when I ended up being a member of the Women in the Law Division and being the only woman of color in the room, those two experiences propelled me, with the help of my colleagues and some people who were mentors to me, like Paul Titus, who since passed away, and Tom Hollander, to make sure that we did not have a bar association that didn't have a space. And since I got that voice, I have been working on initiatives for women of color in the profession to help students with pathways to the law, not only to be a lawyer, but other areas such as being a stenographer, being a deputy sheriff. So if I had not made that change at that time, I don't know that I would have had the wherewithal to see that if you have an idea and if people support your idea, that you can make changes. And I do believe that from that moment on, I have been able to be a change maker.